No one else does what we do. We are unique and we bring amazing attention to detail, unsurpassed professionalism, excellent design ideas, and tremendous value to every project we take on for the absolute best construction experience possible. Finamex Landscaping specializes in high-end design, build custom residential landscape projects. Located in Fallbrook, California, Finamex Incorporated serves parts of Southern California with custom landscape design and construction. We provide our services with a dedication of customer satisfaction, delivered with honesty, integrity, and the passion we have for each client of ours. Contact us for availability at 760-403-5236 or visit www.finamexlandscaping.com.